Hi there, fellows! Today, we want to share some new ideas for pranks and jokes. Sometimes you need to stay home, even for the whole weekend. That doesn't mean you're gonna get bored. We know how to turn your indoor weekend into a crazy show. Julie and Chris both have something interesting to do this indoor weekend. But then… Oops! You should have been more careful, Chris. Now all of Julie's notes are spoiled. Of course she's sad, but Chris, he can't stop laughing. Spoiling your friend's mood must be so tiring. Chris is sleeping like an innocent baby. Julie, you can't waste that opportunity. All you need to do is fill a simple air balloon with water. Be quiet and put that balloon… well, you see everything by yourself. Uh-oh, Julie seems to be really revengeful. There were lots of things for Chris to meet when he wakes up. My gosh, this girl is going to add some oil to this prank salad. Ready? Let's pop that balloon. Bam! Good morning, dude. Hurry up. You need to try all those Julie's pranks out. What's wrong, Chris? Don't you think it's funny? Next time, you better think twice before messing with Julie. Oopsie! Careful, Julie! Each morning starts the same. Someone's occupying the bathroom, right? When you need it so much? The same old story. We were not supposed to wait for so long. And now you're trying not to burst out. Finally, the toilet occupant is ready to free the territory. Ugh, why so long? And here is the master plan of how to make Julie never do it again. Take an old hoodie. Don't use the one you really like. Blow up a balloon. Good job! Now take that hoodie and put the balloon inside of the hood. Tie the lace to fix the balloon. Then print a funny portrait picture and cut it out. Fix that pic inside the hoodie and put a duct tape over the hood. Now you can see how Chris is hiding that hoodie guy inside the toilet, fixing a tape on the toilet lid. Chris can't wait for Julie to lift up the lid. The bathroom is free. Hope that worth spoiling your hoodie, Chris. Wow, Amy, you seem to have a good time. Val is here too, and she's got some snacks with her. There's such a great difference between these two girls. Amy's working up, and Valerie is having her chips one by one until she realizes it's hot chili ones. Hurry up! Get some water to fight that fire in your mouth. Ugh, so much better. You see, Amy's has a surprise for Val. Whew, feels so hot after a good workout. The sweat is literally pours off. That means you've just had a glass of sweat? Yuck. Of course not, but it was so funny. There you are, Chris, surfing the internet. And here comes Amy. Hi, Amy. Wait, what's wrong with you? Has the time stopped? No. Am I going crazy? What is going on here? Amy? Hello, you hear me? Ah, that's what it's all about. Chris, you were so naive this time. Now your clothes are all wet. Again! You won this game, Amy. Seems like Chris has absolutely nothing to change into. That won't do, buddy. You really need to find some dry clothes. And while Chris is diving to despair, Amy has something come into her mind.
Nice!
She takes a pair of Chris's boxers, folds them in half, and makes a semicircle cut on them. A sport bra is ready. No one said it would fit you, Chris. But Amy looks so stunning. You better watch your boxers, boys. Today, Valerie's cooking something tasty. Amy needs her plate clean to fill it. Ouch! It's so hot. Are you okay, Amy? What are you gonna do, girl? Amy takes a red lipstick and covers all of her hands with that red color. Now they look like two red lobsters. Hey Val, turn on the water, please. Sure. Oh no, it's so hot. My hands are burning. Do something. It's okay, Val. Amy's got a prank on you. It's just a lipstick, see? No wonder Val ain't gonna share her meal with Amy, but she still has time to return the favor. And while Amy's having her favorite cereal, Valerie could do something more than just simple sausages. This one's gonna be really hot. You need to take a sausage and cut a piece sizing a half of a finger. Now grab a ketchup and pour it all over the sausage. Bend your finger, add some more ketchup, and watch it perfectly matching that sausage. Let the show begin. My finger! I cut it off! Ah! Amy, it's right in your plate. Ew! This would certainly take away her appetite. Natalie has chosen her own way to spend this indoor weekend. Cannot say it's pretty healthy. For heaven's sake, Natalie, you're not a cupcake to cover yourself with the whipped cream like that. Glad to see you again, Amy. Always in a perfect shape, you can make Natalie stop eating that junk food and think about getting something changed. Selfie time! Just look at these pics and find 10 differences. This is the body every girl is dreaming of. Swipe, and that selfie goes to Jack. You see, they are already having a date. I wish I could make such date-making selfies. Let's see, what there on your cell phone, Natalie? Nope, no messages found. You definitely need to do something right now. Working out is a good idea, but it's so tiring. Huh? Scissors? Leave it to plastic surgeons, please. That would help with your buns, but you ain't cooking. Aha! You've got something to show us, aren't you? Take a contour stick. Mark 3 vertical lines on your belly. Add 4 horizontal ones, imitating six-pack. Blend them with a brush or a beauty blender. Wow, Natalie, you look incredible! Go ahead, send that selfies and… get a date with Sam! Here, we see Valerie with a nice flower pot. Who might have thought you're such a gardener, Val? Ah, what a delicate aroma. Now, you better go wash your pretty face, darling. And while Val is being away, Archie's here right in front of her beloved plant. Really? Archie, what kind of joke is this? Valerie didn't expect to see this. To see Archie watering her flowers. Another junk food party detected. Mark is the one who doesn't care about his food getting everywhere around the room. What a coincidence. Valerie's just got a clean out. If only Mark would care about it. How come one person can make such an ugly mess? The more you clean it up, the greater this mess is. What this lace is doing here? This could be interesting. Hey Mark, let me hug you, friend.
Okay.
And while Mark was being distracted by that unexplainable hug, Valerie managed to cut a hole in his boxers and tie a knot with that lace she found. Just throw away the rest of it, Val. Pretend you're doing your job. Nothing special, just cleaning. Grab that lace and find a corner to hide. Choose a place you want to tie Mark to. Now, pull it. Pull it until he gets what he deserves. Fix that lace and get your cleaning done. This might be the only way to stop that mess spreading all around. Hope you've learned that lesson, Mark. Time to say goodbye, guys! We wish you have lots of interesting things to do at home. And you won't get crazy staying indoors for a long time. Although sometimes being a bit crazy is okay. We really hope you enjoyed those 10 minutes. Write in a comment what's your favorite episode. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon!